Hello, this is the Elizabeth channel, and this is a general reading. I do tarot card readings and take what resonates. This is past, present, and future, and what you don't recognize is the future. Today we are using the cards the Kawaii, and then we have the Romance, Angels, and then the Love Oracles, the Black Moon, Astrology, and then we also have the Endearment. And I'm going to go ahead and start shuffling the cards. And you can think about something that you want to know about today. And also I have a Psychic Dog, Gabby, who will answer a quick yes and no question. She will either touch or move the card. And I'm shuffling these, and we'll start placing the cards. Okay, I'm feeling with these cards here that we have growing, expanding, choices, stop at nothing, and also I'm feeling listening to your dreams and healing and hope, new ideals and thoughts, important decisions. And I'm going to go ahead and lay out some more cards. Okay, what I have here is reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. It's I see like more than one person. So this is somebody from your past that wants to talk to you again, and maybe more. And then I have calling in your soulmate. Your prayers and affirmations and visualizations help bring you together. Calling in your soulmate. So there's another love interest here. So there's two love interests here showing. Also we have separation here. It says missing you, thinking about you, yearning, unsure of the future. So this would be, with this card here, the reconciliation here from someone from your past. And it's saying here, missing you and thinking about you and yearning. And then we have love here, which is love, unconditional love, self-love, oneness, passion, affection, attraction, love. So that goes with calling in your soulmate. Okay, so we have love here with two different love interests. Then also too, we have some of these cards here from the Black Moon Astrology cards. Okay, and the first one we have there is the moon. and it says soul. The moon and the soul. And on this card, I'm feeling that it's saying, what does your gut say? This card, the moon and the soul, governs intuition and self-protection. The moon represents security, and the moon can signify our relationship with our mothers, as well as our grandmothers. And allow yourself to shine is what I'm feeling on this card here. And also, you may want to do things. In this card, I'm feeling that you want to do things that are safe. And you like working alone, I'm feeling here. And also, I'm feeling that you should pay attention to your dreams and keep a dream journal. And also, I'm feeling here a message of hang in there. Okay. And then the other card we have here is the 10th house, the world. Okay. Now on that card, I'm feeling for the 10th house, the world, is the 10th house is actually the top of the zodiac. It's a masculine principle that represents the father or a primary male influence. Also, this card can represent a man and a woman's life. Also, it can represent the woman or mother of your life, in your life. And this is also about owning the world and being on top of the world. And this is the ultimate card to have when you need to feel confident in what you're doing and what you want, and nothing less. And the 10th house is a house of Capricorn. On the 10th house of Capricorn, it does indicate you put forth diligence and concentration effort, and the ability to be able to climb and advance in your career. It also suggests looking at everything with the big picture and to be honest. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move these two cards here. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay out some more cards. Okay, and I feel like with the animal spirit here, I'm feeling that this is the turkey animal spirit, and this reading here for you. And the turkey is the giveaway. The eagle, or the south eagle of many native people, the deep and abiding sacrifices of both self and others. Turkey was the medicine of many saints. Your virtues are many, I'm feeling, and you act and react on the behalf of others. And I feel that you aspire to help those who need help, and what you do for others, you do for yourself. It shows here that you have a gift of giving. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go over each one of these cards here. And we have here the Hermit. The Hermit, you notice on the top of the card it shows number 9. Okay, so 9 is a spiritual number. Okay, and with the Hermit card, it's like quiet time away from others, away from distractions, for the inner spirit. And then we have here the Page of Pentacles. That's like growing and expanding and being clear about manifesting wealth. When you're trying to manifest wealth, just be clear of what you ask for. And then we have the Judgment card here, which is moving on. Self-forgiveness and moving on. And then we have the Eight of Cups, which is like leaving something behind. And I'm feeling with this card here, the Two of Wands, is choices. Choices that you make. It's like you're going down a road and there's two paths to go, and you can go to the right or you can go to the left, and either path will end well, and you just have a choice of which way you want to go. And then we have the Knight of Swords here, which is a love interest right here. And then we have the Five of Swords, which is compromise. I'm feeling with this card, with this reading, compromise. And then the other cards we have is, it looks like the Four of Swords here, which is rest and resting from battles in life. And then we have the Star card, which is like listening to your dreams, write them down in a journal. Also, this card is about healing and hope. And then we have a Death card here, which is change. That means things are changing. And it's like when there's change, it's normally for something better. So it's like you close one door, another door opens. And then we have the Page of Swords here. And that is like quick thinking, ideals and thoughts. New ideals and thoughts. And the Hierophant, that is like order and peace, important. The Hierophant, I'm feeling with this card, order and peace, important decisions. And then we have the Eight of Wands, which is life coming at you fast. It's also career and self-development. And then we have here the Hangman. With this card, with this reading, I'm feeling it's thinking about a different perspective. Vision and thinking about a different perspective. That could be your business or your career or your personal life. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and lay out some more cards here. Okay, now we have this is the Eight of Cups. Well, also earlier you had another Eight of Cups here. So that is like, moving on, leaving something behind. But having it twice here, that would indicate to me that you found something better and you're moving on, whether that be your career or your personal life. And then also we have here the Page of Wands. Page of Wands is good news and being positive. And then we have the Three of Swords here. Three of Swords is like a big change, a big moment in your life, and a big change. And then we have the King of Swords, which is another love interest right here. King of Swords being power and authority. Okay, so we have the two love interests here, and one is just a little bit younger than the other one. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and go over this quickly here. I'm just going to go ahead and go over these. Well, we have the spiritual number 9 here, and it's like quiet time, having a distraction away from the people and things, and also growing, expanding, and self-forgiveness, moving on, choices, and you have 2 different paths to take, and either one it will end well. And then we have stop at nothing and compromise, and also we have change, and then also listening to your dreams and writing in a journal your dreams, healing and hope, and just resting from the battles of life, and just meditating and manifesting what you want in life, and also new ideals and thoughts, important decisions, and career and self-development, and looking at something in a different perspective. And we have the 2 love interests here, and it shows you're going to have love, and it's calling out to your soulmate, meditating and manifesting your soulmate. And you don't say, I don't want a guy to be this way, or I don't want a guy to be this other way. You don't use the word no or don't. What you do is you say positive things like, I want a man that is thoughtful, I want a man that's positive. So like that, you just make a list of positive things to say. And then it shows here somebody coming into your life, again from your past. And you also making the choices of what you want. Well, I hope you like this reading, and please leave a comment underneath the video, like and subscribe for me to support my channel. And GabbyDean is on next, my psychic dog, to answer your question with the yes or no. Thank you. This is Gabby. She's going to answer your question. And if you take a few seconds and think of a question, then my psychic dog, GabbyDean, will say yes or no to your question. Sometimes she'll answer it as maybe, but normally it's yes or no. Gabby. Pick yes or no. Yes? Okay, great. She picked yes. That's a good girl, Gabby. Dean. Good girl, Gabby Dean.